Most people don't stay broke because they don't earn enough. They stay broke because they fall into traps that feel completely normal. And the worst part, you don't even notice them happening. No alarms, no warnings, just slow financial damage every single day. By the time you realize it, it's already too late. Today, you'll see the 5 money traps that quietly keep people poor forever. If you recognize even one of them in your life, you need to pay attention. The first trap is the most common one: lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, you feel richer, and your life instantly upgrades. Better phone, better clothes, more expensive food, maybe a new subscription, a new habit. But here's what actually happens. Your income goes up and your expenses rise to match it. So even though you're earning more, you're still broke at the end of the month. This is why many people who earn more than they ever did still feel like they're struggling. They don't become richer, they just become more expensive. And the worst part, they can never go back. Once your lifestyle expands, it almost never shrinks again. You're trapped in a higher cost life without real wealth.
Now let's talk about something invisible. Small monthly payments. Music apps, streaming services, cloud storage, gym memberships, random trials you forgot to cancel. Individually, they feel harmless. A few dollars here, a few dollars there. But together, they become a silent financial leak. Because your brain ignores small losses, but your bank account doesn't. Over time, these tiny payments stack into hundreds, even thousands of dollars per year. And here's the real danger. You don't feel it leaving. No pain, no emotion, just automatic withdrawal. That's what makes it dangerous. You're not spending consciously anymore. You're leaking money unconsciously. This is the trap that destroys most futures. Not bad decisions, delayed decisions. You tell yourself, I'll invest when I earn more. I'll save when things get stable. I'll learn about money later. But later never arrives, because life doesn't suddenly become perfect. Expenses grow, responsibilities grow, pressure grows. And the biggest loss? Time. Money grows through time, not effort alone. 2 people start at different ages. One starts early with small amounts. The other waits for the right time. Years later, the difference is not small, it's massive. Not because one worked harder, but because one started earlier.
This trap is dangerous because society accepts it. Loans, EMIs, credit cards, buy now, pay later systems. It feels normal, even smart. You can afford it, just pay later. But debt changes your behavior. It makes future income already spent, so your freedom decreases before you even earn the money. You start working not for growth, but for repayment. And slowly, your financial decisions stop being choices. They become obligations. That's when you lose control. Not suddenly, but gradually. And most people don't realize it until they're deep inside it. This is the most dangerous trap of all. Thinking income equals wealth. It doesn't. Income only shows how much money flows through you, not how much stays with you. A person earning a high salary can still be broke, while someone earning less can be financially free, because wealth is not what you earn, it's what you keep and grow. But here's the illusion. High income creates confidence. Confidence creates spending. Spending destroys savings. And the cycle repeats. People upgrade their life to match their income, instead of building assets that exceed their income. So they stay stuck, working more, earning more, but never actually getting ahead. These traps don't look dangerous. That's why they work. They feel normal, even logical. But together, they quietly shape your entire financial future. Lifestyle inflation takes your raises. Subscriptions drain your silence. Delay steals your time. Debt steals your freedom. And income illusion keeps you stuck. The question is not whether these traps exist. The question is how many of them are you already inside? Because once you see them clearly, you can't unsee them. And that's where change begins. Not when you earn more, but when you understand what's been holding you back all along.